Hi guys, it's me. I hope that you're doing very, very well. So I want to invite you to something that I've been working on for a couple months that I'm super excited to share with you. I wanted to give back to this wonderful community and this wonderful family that I have on YouTube. So I created a free online class for you. It's Altered Clipboards, mixed media style. So it's a really fun, very interactive class that I think that you'll enjoy. And hopefully you'll find lots of inspiration and lots of tips. We're going to go through the process of creating a clipboard, an altered clipboard from start to finish. And then I'm going to have a little bonus video of you watching me create it and another style too. So you can definitely tailor this mixed media clipboard to fit whatever kind of artistic style you like. So I really hope that you join me. There are other classes available too, but this one is completely free and I'm so excited to share it with you. So please go check it out. There will be a link in the description of this video, and maybe I'll even create an iCard if I can. I don't think that I can, but I will try. Okay, and I hope that you enjoy the intro. It's going to come after I am done talking, and I hope you guys are doing great. Happy creating, and I can't wait to see your creations. Have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.
Sometimes you like to cry that I'm so ruthless, that other people treat you right. With me you win, but really what the truth is, you be in your feelings every day, almost every night.